So guys, for the first step, you want to find your application file path. Now to do that, we're going to head over to search. Now you're going to type in your application name. I'm going to be doing Google Chrome, for example. You now want to right click on it and then click on open file location. And now your application should appear right here. You want to right click on it again and then click on open file location again. And now this will come up. You now want to copy the file location path that will come up here. So I'm just going to click right here one time, which will now highlight all of this. Now you want to right click and then copy this. And then once you copy that, for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in graphics settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure you have desktop app selected. Now you're going to click on browse. Also, if your application appears right here, then you want to click on it and then click on options and then set this type performance. But if it doesn't appear here, then we're going to click on browse. And you now want to paste the file path that we just copied right now. So you're going to click right here, delete this, right click, and then click on paste, and then click on enter. It's now going to take us to our file path. And then once we're here, you now want to find your application. It should be seeing your application name with the picture of the application. It's also most likely going to be the largest file size. And it should be saying type application. It's going to look something like this. So you're going to click on that, which will now make it appear right here. Now you're going to click on options, and then you're going to select type performance, and then click on save. That's how you do it.